Bill Gibbons was born in 1898 at Ringabells, Latham, near Ormskirk in Lancashire, not far from the village of Burscough, where he lives now. Burscough lies on the Leeds-Liverpool Canal, and when Bill was young, most of the villagers were boat people. Bill himself went to work on the barges with his father when he was 12 years old. Many of the boat people could dance. Bill's father taught his children when they were very young, accompanying them on his melodeon.
How long have you been dancing?
First when we were a boy, about 6 or 7 years old.
And who taught you to dance?
My dad, yes. Just a little bit like, you know, he wasn't a professional. But I've learnt most of my own steps since, you know.
Was he there on the boat?
Oh yes, he's been on the boats all the years of his life, yes. I've worked with him, I started when I was 12 years old.
Were there a lot of people who dance on the boat?
Well, quite a lot. We used to do a lot of entertainment, clog dancing. There's not many now, they're all gone. Yes. Oh yes. And we used to give bits of turns, like we was tied up at different places, like, you know, and have a bit of music and a bit of a clog dance and a bit of a sing-song and so on. Yeah.
Bill is still in constant demand as an entertainer at local events, when he does a bit of clog dancing and plays the concertina, mainly old-time music hall tunes. He also used to play the concertina for the local payseggers, and recently taught the payseg song to the local school children, who performed it in the traditional manner at Easter time. Bill Gibbons is perhaps the last dancer surviving from the Canal era, and he has kept up his dancing since he retired from the boats. This film was shot without sound in the late 60s and shows Bill dancing at a private party at Skelmersdale. He continues to dance today, well into his 80s. The barge people danced mainly to hornpipes, but they also danced a 4 or more handed jig to Irish dance tunes. These were very popular at local festivities such as weddings and carnivals, and would be danced on the sanded stone-flagged floors in clogs with irons. On the barges they would dance to keep warm in winter, keeping time to the rhythm of the steam engine. Originally, when the decks were wooden, they wore clog irons, but when steel came in, they changed to rubbers to avoid danger of slipping. Now, however, Bill dances in wooden-soled clogs with aluminium heel plates to improve the sound of the heel beats. He has made up most of his steps, building them up over a base of the stepping that his father taught him. The steps are not of a fixed length, nor are they danced in a set order.